Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 6th August 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination, so try to watch the session till end. This was our previous three questions. Our first question was, who became first Arab nation to open a nuclear plant? Iraq, UAE, Oman, Iran. The correct answer here is UAE. Option B is correct here. United Arab Emirates or UAE recently the first Arab nation to open a nuclear plant. The capital of UAE is Abu Dhabi, and currency is UAE dirham, and the president of the UAE is Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan. Our second question was, second plasma bank is established in which state? Bihar, Maharashtra, Assam, Goa. The correct answer here is option C, Assam. Recently in Assam, the second plasma bank was inaugurated on 2nd August 2020 at Tezpur Medical College. At Tezpur Medical College, Assam is in news. The capital of Assam is Dispur. Chief Minister is Sarbanand Sonowal, and Jagdish Mukhi is the governor of Assam. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, when Hiroshima Day is observed? 5th August, 6th August, 7th August, 8th August. The correct answer here is 6th August. Option B is correct here. 6th August is observed as the Hiroshima Day. The 6th August marks the anniversary of the atomic bombing in Hiroshima during the World War II. Okay. And the terrific incident took place on August 6, 1945, when the US dropped the atomic bomb named Little Boy. It is a very terrific incident in World War II. And the name of the atomic bomb bombarded in Hiroshima is Little Boy. Little Boy is the name. It is important in exam perspective view. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Lieutenant Governor Girish Chandra Murmu resigned. He was the Lieutenant Governor of which Union Territory? Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Pondicherry. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Jammu and Kashmir. Option A is correct here. The Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Girish Chandra Murmu recently resigned from his post. You can see the image of Girish Chandra Murmu here. He recently resigned from the post. Question number 3. Ram Pradhan passed away. He was the former governor of which state? Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Arunachal Pradesh. Option D, Odisha. The correct answer here is Arunachal Pradesh. Option C is correct here. Ram Pradhan passed away. He was the former governor of Arunachal Pradesh. He received also the Padma Bhushan award in 1987. In 1987 also he got the Padma Bhushan award. Arunachal Pradesh is in news. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Itanagar is the capital. Pema Khandu is the chief minister, and Brigadier B.D. Mishra is the governor of Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Which bank recently launched automated voice assistant AXA? Karnataka Bank, Axis Bank, Punjab National Bank, State Bank of India. The correct answer here is Axis Bank. Option B is correct here. Recently, Axis Bank launched an automated voice assistant named AXA. It is an artificial intelligence powered conversational voice bot. It is artificial intelligence AI based conversational bot. Okay. And who is the CEO of Axis Bank? Amitabh Chaudhary. Amitabh Chaudhary is the CEO of Axis Bank. Okay. Next question. Who inaugurated the Tanjal Golf Resort project in Mizoram? Narendra Modi, Prahlad Singh Patel, Nitin Gadkari, Rajnath Singh. The correct answer here is Prahlad Singh Patel. Option B is correct here. Prahlad Singh Patel, Union Minister of State for Culture and Tourism, virtually inaugurated the project Tanjal Golf Resort. Okay, and it is the project is in Mizoram. The project is in Mizoram. The capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. Aizawl is the capital of Mizoram. Zoramthanga is the chief minister here. Zoramthanga is the chief minister, and P.S. Sridharan Pillai is the governor of Mizoram. PS Sridharan Pillai is the governor of Mizoram. Okay. Next question. Education Minister led the foundation of IIM Tola Kwan in which state? Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Tamil Nadu, Jharkhand. The correct answer here is Himachal Pradesh. It is in Himachal Pradesh. Recently, Education Minister led the foundation of IIM Dhola Kwan in Himachal Pradesh. Here we mention the Education Minister instead of HRD Minister, because in National Education Policy 2020 the HRD name is changes to Education Minister. So who is the Education Minister now? Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank is the Education Minister of India now. You can see the image of Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank here, and he recently led the foundations to Indian Institute of Management Dhola Kwan in Himachal Pradesh. Okay. Next question. Who has been sworn as the Prime Minister of Guyana? Mark Phillips, Mohammad Irfan Ali, Jamed Khan. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Mark Phillips. Option A is correct here. Recently, Mark Phillips sworn in as the Prime Minister of the Guyana. Okay, and the capital of the Guyana is Georgetown. The capital of Guyana is Georgetown. Currency is Guyanese dollar. Guyanese dollar is the currency here. And the previously we discussed the Mohammad Irfan Ali appointed as the Prime Minister, the President of Guyana. Who is the President of Guyana? Mohammad Irfan Ali recently appointed as the President of Guyana. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who authored the book titled Vishesh Code to Win? Nirupama Yadav, Sukhbir Singh, Chetan Bhagat. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Nirupama Yadav. Option A is correct here. Vishesh Code to Win has been written by the sportswoman turned author Nirupama Yadav. The book is said to be released on the August 29. It is going to be released on August 29 on National Sports Day. National Sports Day is in August 29. Okay. Question number 9. Shashidhar Jagdishan is the new Chief Executive Officer, CEO of which bank? HDFC Bank, State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, ICICI Bank. The correct answer here is HDFC Bank. Option A is correct here. Recently, Shashidhar Jagdishan is the next CEO of the HDFC Bank, and it is approved by Reserve Bank of India. He will replace Aditya Puri. Okay. The headquarter of the HDFC Bank is in Mumbai. And the tagline of the HDFC Bank is "We understand your words." We understand your words is the tagline of HDFC Bank. And recently, Shashidhar Jagdishan is going to be appointed as the CEO of HDFC Bank. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Nobel Peace Prize winner John Hume passed away. He belongs to which country? USA, Ireland, England, Australia. The correct answer here is Ireland. Option B is correct here. The prominent Northern Ireland politician and former Nobel Peace Prize winner John Hume passed away. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1998. In 1998, he got the Nobel Peace Prize, and he recently passed away. You can see the image of the John Hume here. Okay, and he recently passed away. Next question. This is our question of the day. You have to answer in the comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our next session. Our first question is Cyber Crime Awareness Program E-Raksha Bandhan started in which state? Our second question is who has been approved the Khadi Agarbatti Atmanirbhar mission? Okay, please try to answer more in comment section. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Thank you.